Here's the reality. If you want to start digital marketing and you don't look absolutely perfect and put together before posting on your social media platforms, people are just going to scroll by and not pay attention to a word you have to say. Girl, if you just believed that, you need to hear me because that is complete and utter fake news. People on all of these platforms want to see you be relatable and get to know someone who is just like them and that it's possible for them too. For example, I'm a super pregnant stay-at-home mom who has a stain right here on my shirt. I'm lucky if I remember to put on deodorant, and my hair is always up because it's super freaking humid and I'm chasing a toddler all day long. Other moms on this app with young children or pregnant ladies are feeling like they're just trying to survive. They don't want to be made worse by seeing you pretend you have it all put together and you look like a supermodel every day, because we all know mamas ain't got time for that. I'm lucky if I get to drink my coffee and it's still hot in the morning. Half the time, we're all over here just trying to survive, and if we get to wash our hair once a week, we're lucky. So if you want to learn how to earn from home on your phone with digital marketing, just get out there. Start posting about it. Do it messy. Do it real. Do it raw. Do it for your family. Don't wait to feel like you have to be an expert, you have to look perfect, sound perfect, or be perfect. Because at the end of the day, we only have 18 summers with our kids, and I've already lost 2 of them with mine because I waited to start. So if you want to get started with digital marketing and you want to learn how you can do it real, you can do it raw, do it authentically, just like you, boo, put ready in the comments, and I would love to help you get started.